Hi guys, what's up? Sak Pase. So in this video, it will be about the coil method retwist. You guys asked for it, so here it is. So basically, I'm already styling her hair. I style as I go sometimes, depending on the style. The style is plaits, so that's why I'm styling as I go. Her hair is damp, moisturized, and ready to go. I will not be using gel, but if you use gel, definitely apply your gel and get your parts together. First, I gather the base really well, and then any flyaways I wrap all the way around, all the way down until there's no more. Then I palm roll with enough tension to let that hair coil upon itself. And that's how you create the loop, and that's how it stays. I'll show it again, because a lot of you guys are like, the loop doesn't stay. The tension is what makes the loop stay. So you have to create that friction and that tension when you palm roll. So as I'm showing you, I'm twisting with it. I'm not stopping it from twisting. I'm twisting with it, kind of like a worm, and I'm letting it coil on itself to create the loop. And that's it. I'm going to do that again to 2 more locks because I'm braiding 4 locks at a time. As you can see, that lock can coil on and on and on and on if you apply enough tension to it. So once again, I'm going to gather the base completely. As you can see, they're not coming loose until I'm ready for them to do so when it's time to make or do the braid. And there's no real reason why I'm doing 4 locks per braid, except for that's what she wanted. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm going to show some more footage of me doing it just in real time, so you guys can kind of get the feel of what it is I'm talking about. But it's very, very simple. Very simple. Apply apply a good amount of tension, and the lock that you just palm rolled will coil back up. It happens to some people, and they're not even trying to do the loop method. So it's pretty easy. All right, and that is pretty much what the braids look like. after I'm done with them, this is also the client from the shampoo video, if I've already posted that. If not, it's coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.